Imagine a world where the ground shakes not from one, but from two different kinds of giants. In one corner, thundering out of the deep past, are the dinosaurs, the most incredible creatures to ever walk the earth. In the other corner, emerging from the dense, green jungles of today, are our planet's strongest modern animals. What if these two amazing groups could meet? Get ready for the ultimate showdown of size, strength, and superpowers, where the mighty Tyrannosaurus Rex locks eyes with a powerful elephant, and the towering Brachiosaurus wonders at the strength of a tiny but mighty leafcutter ant. Apatosaurus was a true giant. It could grow up to 75 to 90 feet, 23 to 27 meters long, and weigh an astonishing 20 to 35 tons, about the weight of 4 or 5 adult elephants. A tail like a whip. Its most formidable defensive weapon was its incredibly long tail. Leopards are highly adaptable and can live in forests, mountains, grasslands, and even deserts. Leopards are mostly solitary and territorial animals. They are primarily active at night, nocturnal, hunting and patrolling their territory. Leopards often drag their prey up into trees to keep it safe from scavengers like hyenas. For most dinosaurs, feathers weren't for flight. They likely evolved for insulation, to keep warm, display to attract mates or intimidate rivals with bright colors and patterns, and camouflage. This means the classic image of a velociraptor is probably wrong. It was likely a feathered, turkey-sized predator. Even a young T-Rex might have had a coat of fuzzy feathers for warmth.
Cheetahs are the fastest animals on land. They can run up to 70 miles per hour, 113 kilometers per h in short bursts. Cheetahs have long legs, a slim body, and a long tail that acts like a rudder to help them turn quickly while chasing prey. Cheetahs can only run at full speed for about 20 to 30 seconds. After that, they need to rest. Running that fast
Stegosaurus comes from the Greek words stegos, roof, and sauros, lizard, meaning roof lizard. This is because its discoverer, Othniel Charles Marsh, initially thought the large plates lay flat on its back, like roof tiles, brain the size of a walnut. Stegosaurus had an incredibly small brain for its body size, weighing only about 70 to 80 grams. Rhinos are herbivores and eat only plants, including grass, leaves, branches, and shrubs, sometimes eating over 100 pounds of food a day. Rhinos have poor eyesight and cannot see very far, but their hearing and sense of smell are extremely strong and help them stay alert. Rhinoceros comes from Greek words meaning nose horn, because all rhinos have 1 or 2 horns on their noses. This is the biggest shock for most people. The Velociraptor was not a large, human-sized predator. It was a small, lightweight dinosaur, roughly the dimensions of a large turkey. It weighed around 30 to 40 pounds, 15-20 kilograms. A famous fossil specimen discovered in Mongolia shows clear quill knobs on its forearm bones, the anchor points where flight feathers would have been attached.
Tigers are the largest cats in the world. A male Siberian tiger can weigh over 600 pounds, 270 kilograms, and grow up to 10 feet, 3 meters, long with tail. Tigers are mostly nocturnal. Their eyes are specially adapted for night vision. They can see 6 times better than humans in the dark. Tigers are endangered due to poaching and habitat loss. Only around 4,000 tigers are left in the wild.
Zebras live in groups, herds, and often form strong family bonds. Plain zebras form harems, one male with several females and foals, while Grevy's zebras are more solitary. Zebras live in savannas, grasslands, woodlands, shrublands, and even mountainous regions across eastern and southern Africa. Zebras are hindgut fermenters, meaning they digest food in their cecum and colon, allowing them to extract nutrients from low-quality forage. Zebras live in groups, herds, and often form strong family bonds. Tyrannosaurus lived about 68-66 million years ago in the late Cretaceous period. Tyrannosaurus had the strongest bite of any land animal, about 12,000 pounds of force. Tyrannosaurus may have hunted alone, but sometimes fossils show groups together. Tyrannosaurus went extinct 66 million years ago when an asteroid hit Earth. Tyrannosaurus Sue is the biggest and most complete fossil ever found. Lions are carnivores and apex predators. They mainly eat large animals like zebras, wildebeest, and buffalo. Lions are classified as vulnerable by the IUCN due to habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. Lions are the only truly social cats. They live in groups called prides. A pride usually consists of related females. The first Godzilla 1954, was not a simple monster movie. It was a powerful allegory for the horror of nuclear weapons and the lingering trauma felt by Japan after the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki and the Lucky Dragon 5 incident where a Japanese fishing boat was contaminated. By US nuclear testing, Godzilla himself was a walking, fire-breathing embodiment of nuclear destruction. Dogs were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago, making them one of the first domesticated animals. Dogs can see in the dark better than humans, due to a structure called the tapetum lucidum in their eyes. Dogs come in an astonishing range of sizes from the tiny Chihuahua, about 2 pounds, to the massive English Mastiff. Bring some serious heavyweights to this contest. Think of the Triceratops with 3 sharp horns on its face, like a superhero with built-in armor, ready to challenge any foe, who ruled both the rivers and the land with its crocodile-like snout and a gigantic sail on its back.